there is a rest, an everlasting crown. All in the field, no more will hear another soldier down. Golden with haste, stand by his side and lend your strength once more. Oh, bear him up with faith and prayer until the battle's o'er. The fight before thy victory, the cross before the crown. Be ever watch to learn the cry, another soul.